What up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time visiting my channel, can you please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. So don't forget to turn on also the like button in order for us to reach more people who are interested in this topic. Guys, I upload videos about making money online for free. So guys, with that being said, in today's video I'm going to talk about the app that I've been talking about in my previous videos, sweatcoin. It has been already registered as cryptocurrency, guys. Now Sweet is part of cryptocurrency, guys. Now you can see your steps, how much they worth. So how this app works is simple and straightforward. You're gonna get paid to work, guys. Whatever work that you're gonna take, it's gonna be converted into points. Then after that, they convert it into cryptocurrency called Sweet, guys. So all you have to do whenever you take a walk, you turn on this app, you let it run in the background. That's all you do. You don't have to take a survey or play games or to perform any other task in order to make money here on this app. Everything is straightforward, guys. So if you want to join sweatcoin, you can just hit the link in the description down below and it will redirect you straight to where you're supposed to download it. So guys, all you need is a wallet called Sweet, guys. So you go to Google Play Store, or you also download the wallet called Sweet. Then that's where you're gonna see all the money that you worth. So guys, I'm gonna show you by my account, right guys? So Sweet wallet, you download this wallet right over here. This wallet, guys, called Sweet wallet. That's where you're gonna see all the steps, how much they worth, how much you have on your account, guys. So you open the app right over here, guys. And what's more interesting, now from now on, you can exchange your Sweet from any other cryptocurrency, maybe Bitcoin or Dogecoin. You can accept and change your Sweet. So guys, as you can see, my balance here is 277.74, guys. So guys, what you can do with these Sweat coins, they will be converted into cryptocurrencies. After they've been converted into cryptocurrencies, you can exchange them into any other cryptocurrencies. Now Sweat has been authorized and legally join the cryptocurrencies, guys. Yes, if you joined this app in the past, you know what it was like it was not registered as cryptocurrency. So many people were scared to join this app. They thought that this app is a scam. So now guys, it has been already registered. You can trade it, you can buy it, you can transfer it. Now you can do almost everything with it. So guys, if you check here on my portfolio, let's go into my portfolio. As you can see here, I have $2.14 off Sweet coins, guys. And as you can see also, I have near protocol, I have 35 cents, guys. That means I have 0.06, right guys? So you can exchange it to any other cryptocurrencies that is here, guys. As you can see, there's Ethereum, USDT. Those are familiar ones, those are the popular ones, guys. So guys, make sure you join sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is the app that will pay you to take a walk. Whenever you take a walk, or whenever you're busy making a marathon or whatsoever, even if you are inside the house, guys, sweatcoin calculate your steps, guys. It will calculate your steps and convert them into points, and those points, they will be converted into Sweat, guys. Then if you don't like sweatcoin, guys, you can also exchange your coins into USDT. Before the end of this video, can you please make me a favor, guys, by hitting that like button if you find this video valuable, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. Once again, guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.